to readdress this Cascade Pass hike. It's one of my favorite hikes from Washington State. And go through the channel library, I got a whole bunch of hikes from Washington State. But Cascade Pass, I was looking for a hike that shows the fantastic beauty of the Washington Cascades, yet it's a hike that's not too difficult to do, so you can bring beginners on the hike. There's a long and bumpy road to get up to the hike, to the trailhead. I took my Mustang. You'd probably prefer a higher clearance vehicle, but any car could make it if you take it slow and navigate the road a little bit. But when you get to the trailhead, you're already immersed in the beauty of the Cascade Mountains soaring into the sky. You're already seeing that from the trailhead. So somebody who you want to get into hiking with you, that's not really into hearing your stories about hiking 14 miles and all the altitude gain, they can get on this hike, start loving hiking, and then they can do the more challenging ones later. That's why I love Cascade Pass. Check it out, VFC's Travels on YouTube. There's no life like the good life. Follow me on Instagram. Go to the Etsy store, buy an Aye t-shirt. There's no life like the good life. Aye. There's some places on earth that are just like those fairy tale books you used to read as a kid. The German Alps, one of those places. There's a reason why they call the Washington Cascades the American Alps. The place is like fairy tale land. And although many of these hikes up here in the Washington Cascades are a lot of effort, a lot of incline, they're all doable, just one step in front of another. But the Cascade Pass Trail is easily accessible, and it's good for anybody, even not experienced hikers. You want to get somebody in love with hiking, this is the trail to take them on in Washington State. The colors, the mountains, the wildlife. I saw my first trail brown bear on this. There you go. So if you were wondering if a bear shits in the woods, there you go. But seriously, this trail is money. It's for beginners. You want to get somebody in love with hiking? Take them on this one. Yeah, VFC's Travels on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification button. Follow me on Instagram. Go to the Etsy store. Get some of that VFC's Travels merch. Yeah. And check out the PNW hiking video playlist that I've got on my channel. Enjoy.